Today, I'm going to be making a closet. Okay? Sorry my voice is not very good right now. It's not been good for about half a week now, but that's okay. But I'm going to take the only two tools that I'm going to need, hopefully, is a little hammer and a set of dikes. And we're going to make a closet, and we'll see how long that takes. Enjoy the show. Broken glass. Broken glass is not part of the show. Alright, so I finished it after I fixed a few errors. So this is what the final closet looks like after I fixed it. I just mixed up the order a little bit, making it a little messed up, and the heights and stuff. but as you saw how simple it is to attach and detach the different fittings, then you have 1, 2, 3 up here and 4 different places where you can put hangers. I went ahead and just bought a 100-pack of hangers from Amazon, so 100 hangers should be sufficient to fill this area. You have a couple of shelves, and you have a cloth zipper zipper doors, of which you can easily tie back, as simple as this. Let me show you. So you just unzip it, roll it up, and then you have some Velcro here. So therefore you can go ahead and have it open for when you're doing putting away laundry or whatever the case may be. And I like the fact that you can easily separate the different compartments from maybe like fancy dancy. Well, I'd say the fancy dancy stuff goes down below. So, like if you have suits or dresses or things that are a little longer, but for special occasions, down below. Your regular attire over here, maybe shoes, socks, or whatever. You have plenty of space on these two racks, and you even have space down below here. So you can tuck like boots underneath or whatever the case may be, and then this you have full length. So if you were in the military and you had like Class A's or even if you threw some duffel bags or whatever, your closet, your rules. But then, so you don't have nosy people getting in, you just zip it up. And the nice thing is, this is 2/3. This is 1/3. So you could just zip it up so you only see half the closet, and you don't have to worry about anything on the other half of the closet. And you can zip it up when you got guests or kids nearby and you don't want them to wreck your stuff. Boom. Easy peasy. So that is what I built here. Sorry for the messed up tutorial, but hey, it is the way it is. Thanks for watching. Bye.